In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print out your reservations from Booking.com quickly and easily. So let's jump right into it. To start, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. You're probably familiar with how to do this, but just in case, you can use browsers like Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, or whichever you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head over to Booking.com. You probably have it bookmarked, but typing it directly into the address bar will get you there swiftly as well. Next, you'll need to log into your Booking.com account, so enter your registered email and password. It's always a good idea to double-check this information if you're in a public or shared environment to make sure everything is secure. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. This page is like your control center, displaying all of your activities on the platform. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options to choose from. You want to select the one that says Bookings. At this point, if you've yet to make any reservations, your list will understandably be empty. However, if bookings have been made, you'll see a list of all the reservations you've scheduled on Booking.com. Now let's locate the specific reservation you're aiming to print. Beside the booking, you'll notice a small icon symbolized by 3 dots. This is a common interface feature, intended to provide more options related to the item. Click on those 3 dots and you'll see an option that reads Print Confirmation. Go ahead and select that, and just like that, a printer-friendly version of your reservation details will pop up on your screen. You're almost there. At this stage, take a brief moment to confirm the details on the printable page are accurate. Once you're satisfied, you can direct your printer to print out the reservation confirmation right away. And there you have it. You've successfully printed your Booking.com reservation without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you're interested in seeing more tutorials like this, consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. I appreciate you taking the time to watch today's segment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.